Hi everyone, today I will show you how to change charging socket Redmi Note 11. Okay, it's new model this one. So let's start now. Okay, you have to off the mobile. Okay, after you have to remove the SIM tray. Hmm? Same one. This is a plastic cover. No need to make hot. Just like play card. Put. After you have to use play card again. This is a steel one. Just holding. Just try to open. After you play this card, because this is plastic inside. No need to give hot air. It's very easy. Okay, you have to take a wire, screwdriver. You have to do remove this all screw. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. This area is more sensitive. Okay, what you have to do, remove first this, open 1 2 and 3 and 4 first, and then after remove the back glass, the camera, because if you try to open with housing, the cable is going to breaking. See, the power cable, the touch cable is going to breaking. See, 2 screw you have to remove. And now you have to remove this one. After power cable, disconnect this one. Normally what you have to do, somebody use this one, different minding, anybody. I feel easy to use my nails. See, easy to open. See, very easy. And be careful, this cable, this is a fingerprint cable. Okay, after you have to disconnect the battery, come down area, remove the air speaker, open the main cable, LCD cable, the signal antenna, and easy to remove. Take the new one, put there. Same, it's very easy. LCD connection, and then after you have to put antenna. Very careful when you connect that one, very careful, because if you are not sure, again you have to connect the power battery. Same procedure you have to do. Same way ji. Okay, okay, and make screw tight. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press the bell icon.